Hey, you're welcome to this video tutorial. This video is going to be teaching you the advanced and simple way to create a smart film cover. So stick to the end of the video. So first thing first you need to do when coming to Coreldraw to design the pictures like this is getting your materials, your picture, your background, and any other thing you want to include. This picture you're seeing right here, I took off the background, then I imported into the Coreldraw application. So I'm done with the finished work. But this is a tutorial, so let me start from the scratch. The second method you need to apply is your film cover size. So that little square box you're seeing is called your workspace area on Coreldraw. So now I'm going to be heading to my toolbar and drafting out a square. If you're wanting to align any object on Coreldraw to the center, click on the letter P. So for me not to stress myself on the square size, I'm simply going to be copying the workspace size, length and breadth. I copy the breadth size and paste on the square shape. Then I also apply this method on the length. So our film cover size is now well fitted to the workspace area. So I'm going to be going to the page 1 to copy the previous design, and I'm going to be pasting on the page 2. Sometimes your Ctrl X and V might not be working the way you're expecting, but align everything and shift into the little box and also paste in the page 2. So now I'm pasting everything into the new work area. So then I think I need to align by clicking on or aligning on everything, then I click on P. But sometimes when I click on P, if I haven't grouped all the design, it's come to the middle. It comes to the middle without grouping or grouping the text and images and every other thing. It comes to the middle. So I need to group everything and place in the middle so it fits into the workspace area. So now I think you'll be feeling worried that I haven't done some work or some other things. So I'm going to be unboxing every single thing so you can see from the scratch. So for me not to convince you in this tutorial, what I simply did is clicking on the image because I've already imported some pictures into the size. So I need to click the image and align everything and cut the pictures and the background so I can start from the scratch. So one thing you need to know is every single time you cut out anything you've powered clip into a size, it gives you these times. And for you to remove these times is by simply right clicking and come here to remove the times button. So remember I called out the pictures. So what I'm going to be doing is just aligning out the text and putting on one side so I can place the images and the background. So done with that right now, I'm going to be highlighting the pictures and the background to one side also. Then after aligning, I have my size still there. I'm going to be importing my background into the box. So I simply made this effect by clicking on the object and right clicking, then went straight to power clip. So for me to edit anything in my power clip, I need to click on the edit, then I click on my image, then I click on P to align it to the center. Then I click on the finish button. Same also with my picture image, I do the same method. So after importing the pictures in the size, I need to click on edit and click on my image. So I'm not doing something much with this image. I might feel like keeping it on the center or keep it on the right side or left side. It depends on where I feel like. So as you can see, the text is not looking fine on the image because I actually know what I want. So I remove the text, then I go back to the edit and shift my picture to the left part side. So after shifting my image and I am satisfied, I click on finish. Then I click or I align my text to the image. Then I centralize it well to the best way I can. So I notice one of the text is not well aligned, and on Coreldraw there's something called ruler. I can use my ruler to measure, and also I can use my ruler to align anything. So I'm going to be picking my ruler from the left side, then I align it well to the red text. Then also after aligning it to the text and I click on the text, then I shift it to the center to the side of the ruler for it to be aligned with the red text, the white text and the red text. I want it to be aligned. Then after doing this, I click on my white text and drop it down to the way I want. Okay, I think now this is very okay to me, and I'm going to be returning the ruler by simply clicking it and clicking on delete key on your keyboard. So now let's take a preview. I think every single thing here, it's perfect, from the images to the background and to the text. It's okay. I love it. So next thing I'm going to be doing is coming to the file or clicking Ctrl E to export to JPEG. So I'm going to be choosing the file extension and clicking it. So I click OK. Then after it pops out this and shows me what kind of resolution I'm exporting, then I click OK. Since it's fine, it's OK. Then I come to my desktop area and I double tap. Then I found my image. So this is the method used in making a beautiful cover picture. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.